The Amana E01 error code indicates a failure in the indoor room temperature sensor of your Amana HVC system. This sensor, a critical component, uses a thermistor to measure the ambient air temperature and relays this data to the system's control board. The control board then adjusts the compressor, fan, and valves to maintain the desired temperature. The error typically arises from a faulty sensor, often due to dust accumulation, wiring corrosion, or component wear, which leads to inaccurate temperature readings and inefficient cooling or heating cycles. This can result in your system running constantly or not cooling heating properly. Modern Amana units now feature AI-driven diagnostics and over-the-air updates that can sometimes identify the issue and self-correct minor sensor discrepancies, but the core problem usually requires troubleshooting or replacement of the sensor itself. Untreated, an E01 error can lead to compressor overload, increased energy consumption, and potentially more costly repairs. Before attempting any repairs, always disconnect power to the HVS unit to prevent electrical shock. First, visually inspect the sensor and its wiring for any signs of damage or corrosion. Clean the sensor and surrounding area to remove any dust or debris. Use a multimeter to test the sensor's resistance. A typical reading should be between 10 to 50 kiloohms at room temperature. If the resistance is outside this range or shows no continuity, the sensor likely needs replacement. Replacement sensors are relatively inexpensive, around $50. If the sensor appears to be functioning correctly, the issue might lie with the control board or wiring. In such cases, it's best to consult a certified HVC technician. Some newer units feature firmware updates that can recalibrate sensor readings, potentially resolving the error. However, bypassing the sensor or attempting DIY repairs without proper knowledge can lead to more significant damage and void the warranty. Always prioritize safety and consult professional help if unsure.